I think I wanna go outside. Okay, in the rain. I said I wanna go outside. Hey. Let me stop. I have just harvested my tomatoes, and let's go ahead and see how much they weigh. Let's go ahead and do that, shall we? Here are the beautiful tomatoes. Look at that, look at that. This the bag lady. Bag lady, this how much I weigh. Oh my God. Oh, got a glitch. Gotta get you a glitch in the program. Hold on 1 second. What is really going on? What? Now here's the way in. So it is at 1 pound 5.7 ounces. That's how much they weigh, y'all. So from 6 trees harvested. Yeah, I say that's pretty nice. I say that's a pretty nice. Over 1 pound, 1.5 for this. I say that's decent. So watch me clean my tomatoes. I just harvested from my garden, my small garden bed, and my in-ground garden as well. To see the entire harvesting video, make sure you go to my channel. I got it out the soil, and see the complete video. So let's get through some of these tomatoes. A little fruit cleaning solution, and I'm gonna let them sit. But yeah, this is me cleaning the tomatoes. Let me dry them efficiently. So this the clean tomatoes. That's how they looking. Fresh, right from the garden, baby. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Oh, still rolling. Say hello to my dog, Kane. He like this show. You want to say anything to him, buddy? Yeah, you was guarding the garden, and that's why them raccoons and possums didn't come back to eat the tomatoes. Yeah, you made your presence known. All right, now. Anything else you want to tell the people? Oh, you want them to check this out right here, over here? Okay. Hold on, guess what's growing, y'all? I got a little Kenny. Look at that Kenny. Book up. Okay, girl. She done peeked out, came to play. Little another one right there. But anywho, let me end this video for real. Until next time. Till we meet again. Me and Kane. Come on, Kane. Come here. Let's say a proper goodbye to the peep. Come here. Until next time, me and Kane. We'll see you in the garden in the next video. They gonna see you? They not gonna see. See, he acting up. All right, bye, y'all.